Information is power, we all know that. Information brings transformation. However, misinformation is becoming a cancer in politics and in governance nowadays, particularly in Nigeria and some other parts of the world. Now, Nigerian Development Tracker as an application seeks to solve that problem. And how we are going to achieve that is by making sure we work together with relevant agencies and government organizations so that we can be able to provide users and citizens with adequate information. Now, there is a problem that also happens within the political space, which has to do with real-time data monitoring. I'm from Adamawa State precisely. Something happened in my state some times back regarding election matters, whereby as a result of the data that are not uploaded in the beavers, so it caused actually a lot of tension within the state. So what I'm trying to say is, a simple information that is not captured properly can turn the public space into something else. Riots can be there, it can lead to lack of participation, it can also lead to manipulation within the system. So we, within the NDT, we are trying to provide solutions whereby we link users to adequate information. And we also want to bridge the gap that has existed between political parties, government agencies, and citizens. NDT as an application will be able to allow users to capture the problems surrounding the environment, giving political parties and government agencies access to those information whereby political parties and government agencies can be able to provide solutions to them. So NDT as an application seeks to solve the issue of misinformation and then bridge the gap that exists between government, political agencies, and government organizations. Thank you very much.
So my question is this: if you follow the last election that happened, the person that won on social media was not the person that emerged winner.
Exactly.
So what does that mean? It means that you can have a poll on a platform, a solution, where people will say this is the person that won, but in real life, it is not the situation. What do I mean? That's what I was talking about. Like my mom till now, she's still averse to ATM, and she's educated, but because of the way they will say your money is disappearing, GT bank customers, we are plenty of it. GT, so she doesn't want to use any. She still like the brick and mortar, especially this high, volume of money. She's still averse to all these e-channels, e. So, what am I saying? In essence, is there a way to, because there's a login page. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
So the farmer, the real people that vote, that's what I'm saying. They are not the educated, the elites like us.
Yeah.
Most of the time, they are the uneducated that just want change, and then they might need to use this platform to understand this important message. How do you want to make? Because I saw the login, so it doesn't have an illiterate giraffe. I'm saying, is it? So what's the plan on getting them so you get a true picture, and any political party that wants to rely on the information from this platform will be sure that this thing might be the reality on the day of election, because the participants are not just some selected few who are opportuned to use a solution. It's for all.
Yeah, let me start from the point where you make reference to the previous election that just concluded now. If you notice critically, one of the issues we are trying to address is the issue of data, real-time election data. Now, NDT, we are going to work together with certain agencies, particularly like the Independent National Electoral Commission, which is the INEC. So we have to work together with those relevant bodies to make sure that during election, we have to know the total number of votes, the total number of PVCs that are collected at each polling unit, like the Yaga Africa, which is an independent body. So we are going to see how we can connect together with those kind of bodies, get information from them so that users can now be able to have real and actual, and the system has an algorithm where it checkmates the information that passes through, just in case sometimes political parties can be, political in its own way. They may give you information that are not actually legitimate. So we have an algorithm that actually have to checkmate those informations to make sure that these informations are actually the legitimate information.
Okay, fine. As long as you're partnering, because for Young Africa, what they do is they don't have a field, a team that goes to meet these guys, you know, on the field, farmers, you know, all these people, and collect data. So that's what I'm saying. As long as we can find a way of imputing those people's information too, then it's fine. Thank you so much. Nice one.